What's up everyone, and here we go with another mining rig unboxing video. This time for my mining rig I've decided to get the AMD Radeon RX6600. Let's go ahead and see the mining rig unboxing, and then I will explain everything you need to know about this GPU and whether it's worth it or not. Talking about the price of this GPU, as of 2022 it is $449 with an increase of $50 from 2021. After tax you're expecting to get this card about $500. Let's go ahead and add another RX6600 by Asus to this GPU rig. For this GPU rig, I use a 3 capacitor riser instead of an 8 capacitor riser. If you wanna know why I use this one and you're interested in knowing which one you should use, definitely check out my other video. Other than this, the way I powered the riser was through a 6-pin from the power supply. I never recommend using SATA connection because SATA connection is not made for GPU risers. You can also use Molex, but I recommend using 6-pin as you can see in the video. And the way I connected to my rig was through a wooden rig, and I really recommend you making your own wooden rig for about $10 instead of getting a metallic rig. And because a wooden rig is not conductive and it does not transfer heat to your other GPUs, whereas a metallic rig transfers heat all through the rig and your temperature is higher, whereas this one is much more safer and lower temperature. Here we go, we are done plugging in the GPU. However, we have one problem. The hash rate is 26. The way we can fix that is to overclock the GPU in order to get the maximum performance out of it. The way I overclock this GPU is through AMD Radeon software, and I can get a hash rate of 29. Let's go ahead and see how. If you don't know how to overclock with AMD Radeon software, or you don't know where to get it, definitely check out my other video where I show how to download it, install it, and overclock it, test it, retest it, and get a stable system that your overclock works perfectly for a long time. This video is only for people who already overclocked before and are familiar with the program. So to overclock, simply you can see the metric first, and then you have to go to the tuning. Once you go to tuning, you have to turn on the advanced control from the tuning control panel, and you can see the GPU tuning. For the minimum and maximum frequency, I put it on 1062 and 1260, and I put the voltage all the way down through 775. For the VRAM tuning, I also turned it on and I put it in 2250. And I also set the fan curve, which you can also do it by yourself. There we go. We can see after applying the overclock, our hash rate increased from 2526 all the way through 2829, which is good because we're getting the maximum performance out of our GPU. Right here, I also want to show you my task manager after 14 days, where you can see my overclock setting is okay for 14 days, meaning it's long-term overclock and your system is stable. Overall, again, if you don't know how to overclock your system and you don't know how to retest it in order to get a stable system, definitely check out my other video, because the setting that I showed you may not be the same, because all the GPUs, even the same model and the same brand, are different. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any comment below, I respond. Thank you so much for watching this video and have a great day.